Discovering 7 income streams to start building your wealth today. Tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Imagine a life where money works for you, not the other way around. This video reveals 7 powerful income streams you can start building today to achieve financial freedom. Wealth building isn't just about having a high-paying job. It's about creating a financial ecosystem where money flows in from multiple sources. Diversifying your income streams is like building a financial safety net. If one stream slows down, others can compensate, providing stability and peace of mind. Multiple income streams act as accelerators for your financial growth. They allow you to invest more, pay off debt faster, and reach your financial goals sooner. In this video, we'll explore 7 distinct income streams that you can start implementing right away. Each stream offers unique opportunities and challenges, but all contribute to a more robust financial future. Consider this your roadmap to a more secure and prosperous financial life. Let's dive in and discover how you can start building your wealth today. For most people, employment serves as the foundation of their financial life. It provides a steady and predictable income stream to cover essential expenses. Your primary focus should be on maximizing your current salary. This involves consistently improving your skills and demonstrating your value to your employer. Don't be afraid to negotiate raises when you've consistently exceeded expectations. Research industry standards and present a compelling case for why you deserve more. Seek opportunities for advancement within your role or company. Taking on new responsibilities and challenges can lead to higher pay and greater job satisfaction. Employment provides a stable base of income that can be used to fund other ventures. It's the bedrock upon which you can build your diversified income portfolio. Do you have skills that others would pay for? Freelancing or consulting allows you to monetize your expertise on your own terms. Utilize your existing skills and expertise to offer services on a freelance basis. This could be anything from writing and editing to graphic design and web development. Examples of popular freelance services include content creation, social media management, and virtual assistants. Identify your strengths and market them effectively. Consulting involves providing expert advice and guidance to businesses or individuals. If you have specialized knowledge, consider offering your services as a consultant. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn connect freelancers and consultants with clients worldwide. Create a compelling profile and start bidding on projects today. Unleash your creativity and entrepreneurial spirit by creating and selling your own products. This can be a highly rewarding and profitable income stream. Create and sell physical or digital products that meet a specific need or desire. Think about what you're passionate about and how you can turn it into a business. Examples of physical products include handmade crafts, jewelry, and artwork. Consider selling your creations on platforms like Etsy or Shopify. Digital products can include online courses, ebooks, templates, and software. Platforms like Teachable and Gumroad make it easy to create and sell digital products. Identify a need in the market and offer a product or service that provides a solution. Focus on quality, customer service, and effective marketing to build a successful product-based business. Don't have your own products to sell? Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. Partner with businesses to promote their products or services to your audience. When someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. You'll receive a unique affiliate link to track sales generated through your promotions. This link is essential for ensuring you get credit for your referrals. Affiliate marketing requires building an audience that trusts your recommendations. Focus on providing valuable content and building genuine relationships with your followers. Strategically promote relevant products to your audience that align with their interests and needs. Transparency and honesty are key to building trust and maximizing your earnings. Investing is the cornerstone of long-term wealth building. It allows you to put your money to work for you, generating passive income and capital appreciation. Put your money to work for you through various investment options. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow through the power of compounding. Examples of common investment options include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Each option carries different levels of risk and potential return. Real estate and cryptocurrencies are also popular investment options, but they require more research and understanding. Be sure to do your due diligence before investing in these assets. Start small and gradually increase your investment amount as you gain experience and confidence. Educate yourself on different investment strategies and risk management techniques. Consider seeking professional financial advice from a qualified advisor. They can help you create a personalized investment plan that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. If you own property, consider renting it out to generate passive income. This can be a lucrative way to leverage your assets and build wealth. Rent out a spare room in your home for additional income. Platforms like Airbnb make it easy to list your space and connect with potential renters. Rent out a vacation home when you're not using it. This can be a great way to offset the costs of ownership and generate a steady stream of income. Even renting out a parking space can generate income, especially in urban areas. Explore all the possibilities for monetizing your property. Rental income provides a passive income stream that can significantly contribute to your financial goals. It can help you pay off your mortgage, save for retirement, or fund other investments. Careful property management and tenant screening are essential for maximizing your rental income and minimizing potential problems. Share your knowledge, passion, or entertainment with the world through content creation. This can be a fulfilling and profitable way to build an audience and generate income. Create content through blogging, YouTube videos, podcasts, or social media. Choose a platform that aligns with your strengths and interests. Monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, and selling digital products. The more engaged your audience, the more opportunities you'll have to generate income. Advertising revenue can be earned through platforms like Google AdSense and YouTube Partner Program. Sponsorships involve partnering with brands to promote their products or services. Selling digital products, such as ebooks, courses, and templates, can be a highly profitable way to monetize your content. Create valuable resources that solve problems for your audience. Content creation requires consistent effort and building an engaged audience. Focus on providing high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. These 7 income streams are adaptable and scalable to fit your individual circumstances and goals. Start small and gradually expand your efforts as you gain experience. Start small and dedicate a few hours each week to building your income streams. Consistency is key to achieving long-term success. Gradually scale up your efforts as you gain experience and confidence. Reinvest your earnings to accelerate your growth and diversify your income portfolio. Prioritize your time effectively and focus on the income streams that generate the most return for your effort. Don't be afraid to experiment and adjust your strategy as needed. Manage your finances wisely and track your income and expenses carefully. This will help you identify areas where you can save money and invest more effectively. Continuously learn and adapt to new opportunities and challenges. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay informed and adaptable. Discover the 7 best income streams to build long-term financial freedom and grow your wealth fast. From passive income and investments to side hustles, real estate, and digital businesses, this guide breaks down multiple income sources anyone can start today. Learn how to diversify your income, reduce financial risk, and create sustainable wealth in today's economy. Strategically implement these income streams and take control of your financial future. With dedication and perseverance, you can build a path towards lasting wealth and financial freedom. Ready to take the first step towards financial independence? Start by identifying 1 or 2 income streams that resonate with you and commit to taking action today. Research, plan, and start building. Don't just watch, do. Subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.